Here's a little shout out to Joe Pix and John Locke for their 500 subscriber milestone and giveaway for my little outdoor video. I've got this cute Sony lock from out of a bin I got at a estate sale. It opens up, and it's kind of cheating because the bidding on this is just atrocious, but we'll just put a little bottom of the keyway on this guy and see what it should go very, very quickly because there's really only one. And there she goes. Again, congratulations to you guys on your milestone. May there be many more videos to follow.